probably tell by the name of the video what we're going to be doing today. So far, super difficult. Good afternoon, everyone. Before you watch me vinyl wrap the Z, I just want to say that the vinyl wrap process was not fun. And I talked to Paradox the Rapper, which is like my favorite rapper on YouTube, and he was talking to me about Vivid and Amazon and the vinyl that I got. It is not a good vinyl to get. Unless it's like 80 degrees outside, this vinyl does not work very well at all. It doesn't stretch. It just wants to tear and rip. It doesn't stick well. It doesn't squeegee well. This has been the worst process of vinyl wrapping I think I ever could have had, and it's because I went a very cheap route with vinyl wrap. I still got name brand, but it's the fact that it just sat and sat and sat. So with that being said, don't let it detour you. Jump into this video, make sure to smash the like button, and I'll catch up with y'all towards the end of the video. Today, trying to vinyl wrap the Z, and so far has been the hardest thing I've ever done. You know, I've got Vivid vinyl, and it's difficult. I applaud people who do this every day. I bought a full kit from Amazon. I bought a toolkit and the vinyl. Did the fender up there, it got ripped. Alright, I'm back. I went and had a bagel, had to take a break, had the door almost done, and I just like ripped that off out of anger. It's laying over there. So I got a new plan. The mirror was making it really hard, so I took it off. I want to take the door handle off, but I'm not even trying to mess with all that. But new plan, got me a table, got me a chair. Maybe now I can do this without shooting somebody. So it's been about probably 4 hours. I'm starting to get a better feel of how to work the vinyl itself. Honestly, don't think that this vinyl is real. It's kind of just, it's acting very plasticky. Like I said, it's scratching like really easy, and I don't know. I've come to find out any blemishes that are on your car are gonna come right through the vinyl. Oh, look at her. Ooh, got it moved up. It's car's coming next. I'm stoked. I love seeing it. I miss heavy Chevys. Ooh, and there's a Z with the gray on it. Got the BMW moved. The gray's growing on me. I didn't like it at first, but it's growing. And I gotta redo some pieces that didn't come out that great. I'm gonna try today to finish the other side. Remember, I'm not doing the hood and probably not doing the roof. But I do want to attempt to finish this side, the door and the fender today. At some point I gotta do the valances, or the skirts, whatever you want to call them. So I'm gonna see what I can get done with this. It's a way better day too. Like, the vinyl and was like ripping. I'm pretty sure it's because it was cold outside that day. But today it should be way more flexible. Hopefully the wind isn't killing the volume here. But I'm thinking today it'll be more flexible, so we'll see what we can get done. Alright guys, so I tried to finish the bumper. I just got pissed off, aggravated. I couldn't get bubbles and creases to stop coming up. It didn't matter how much I stretched or what I did, they just kept showing up. It's super aggravating. But so far, this is how the cars came out. I didn't like the gray at first, but now it's growing on me. And then there's little spots like this, man. I cleaned this whole car, and it's still like unraveling. It's so aggravating. And like, the gray would have been lit. Right now it's like gray and orange, which I guess is like a thing, but this is how it's turned out. Like, you can see this door and this fender aren't too bad. I put a lot of time into them and they still kind of ripped, and just none of it wanted to work. And like, I don't want vinyl wrapping to be aggravating, because like, I want to do this. I like vinyl wrapping. Like, I want to be able to vinyl wrap people's cars for them. I think it's like one of the coolest things to do in the car world. But I think this wrap's just, man, it's really turned me off from Vivid. I want to order again. I want to do this car in like Blurple or something, or the IROC, because I do want to wrap the IROC as well. So, Paradox, if you end up watching this, I want to work with you, man. I want to get a beautiful color on this car. And Vivid, I don't want Vivid to be the thing that turns me off. Like, I don't want to get aggravated at my first wrap job because I had shit wrap and like never wrap a car again. Oh my god. I don't want to deter like any of my subs who want to wrap their car. If you have a garage and like a heat gun and a weekend to do it in 60 foot of wrap, it's a super huge learning curve. I don't think I'll ever use this company again. But I love the gray. I wish the whole car was gray instead of a hoopty. Also, I want to know, do you guys think I should keep the knockoff TEs on here, or should I go with the these JNCs? Where are the other two JNCs? Where are my wheels? I've been robbed. Yeah, okay. Anyways, this is really throwing me off. Paradox, if you watch this, man, you want to work with me, I want to wrap this car, and I want to wrap the Camaro. I got money, I got trades, I got parts, I got cars, I got boats and hose, man. Let's work together and get this car wrapped. I hate this. Don't let a car guy hate wrapping. It's unorthodox. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Let me know what y'all think of the wrap. Hit it in the comments below. Act like this bumper's gray. Act like the whole car is gray. That would work, right? Old people think it's a fun car, as they've said like 6 times now. This is a very fun car. And then I asked them why they're out of quarantine. Anyways, guys, this is the next upload. There will be more. I'm nowhere near done with the Z. Make sure to smash that like button. I'll catch you in the next one.